English Croatian. Can you equals.
Možeš li?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you superstar, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the Croatian way to say can you? ?
Možeš li?
We'll keep it fun, quick, and super usable in real life. Your goal today. By the end, you'll confidently ask for help in Croatian, informally and formally. Main target. Can you?
Možeš li?
Informal, speaking to one friend. Backup for polite, formal or plural.
Možete li?
Pro tip. Add a verb after the dots, like
Pomoći.
to help, or
Otvoriti.
to open. Say it right. Let's nail the sound and rhythm. Think a gentle two-note rise. Moses Lee? Say.
Možeš li?
Light, friendly, rising at the end. Rhyme to remember. When you're in a bind.
Možeš li?
Is kind. Little gesture helps. Raise your hand slightly, tilt your head, and ask.
Možeš li?
Mnemonic. It sounds like možeš li. Say it slowly.
Možeš li?
Mini dialogues. Hear it in action, then echo it out loud. A.
Možeš li? Pomoći.
Can you help? B. Sure, I've got you. A. At the window.
Možeš li? Otvoriti ga.
Can you open it? B. No problem. A. Before starting.
Možeš li? Čuti me.
Can you hear me? B. Loud and clear. Formal at a cafe. A.
Možete li? Donijeti šećer.
Could you bring sugar? B. Naravno, of course. Drill time. Your turn. Repeat after me and fill the dots with the verb. Repeat 2 times.
Možeš li?
Ask for help. Can you help me? Say.
Možeš li? Pomoći mi.
Ask to open. Can you open it? Say.
Možeš li? Otvoriti ga.
Ask to be quieter in a library.
Možeš li? Biti tiši.
Bonus variants. Recognize them. Can I?
Mogu li?
Do you want to?
Želiš li?
Will you?
Hoćeš li?
Culture tip. Sound natural and polite like a local. In Zagreb cafes you might hear friendly requests like
Možeš li?
among friends and
Možete li?
with staff. Add a soft tone and a smile. Don't mix them up.
Možeš li?
Equals informal. You, one person.
Možete li?
Equals formal or plural. Add a polite touch with
Molim.
please.
Možete li? Molim.
Fun break. A little humor to lock it in. A helpful robot hears
Možeš li?
and prints a form titled
Dozvola za pomoć.
Permission to help. Stamp. Approved. Metaphor moment.
Možeš li?
Is the key that unlocks other people's superpowers. Quick quiz. Answer out loud, no overthinking. 1. How do you say, can you? In Croatian? Answer.
Možeš li?
2. True or false?
Možeš li?
Is informal singular. Answer. True. 3. Give the formal version. Answer.
Možete li?
4. Translate. Can you help me? Say.
Možeš li? Pomoći mi.
Your micro challenge. Time to use it in the wild, today. Use.
Možeš li?
3 times today. Ask a friend to open a window, to send a file, or to explain a word. If you need to be formal, switch to.
Možete li?
Bonus points if you add.
Molim.
Goodbye from Synapse Lingo. You did great, high five. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, can you?
Možeš li?
And try it with new verbs every day. For more lessons, exercises, and audio, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.